Deja vu, yeah.
My Dreammaker journey was not easy, but all the challenges, the laughter, and the tears not only helped me as a performer, but also as a person. I've been joining competitions for 10 years already, but I couldn't believe that in just a few months here, that I would be able to gain so many new skills and so many true friends. To my family and to my Radiants, thank you for being here with me throughout my journey here. You will always have a special place in my heart, and I will forever cherish all the love that you have given me.
Congratulations, Marco!
안녕하세요. 저는 Horizon 마크스입니다. I'm the 막내.
I know that Horizon can do a good stage tomorrow, so fighting 하세요. Fighting 하세요.
Mahal kita.
Sa totoo lang, nung una kitang nakita, ligaya'y nasa harap lang tuwing tayo'y magkasama. Pag-ibig nasa tabi, itong paghihirap, malaking ligaya para sa'kin sa tuwi-tuwi. Hindi ako natatagot, naniniwala.
Horizon Flop Group?
Ang iyong kamay,
Just do it.
sa pagkanto na
Just do it.
walang
Wait till we bring back home the trophy.
Bahagi kita ko ang iyong mga ngiti. Di ko alam bakit lumuluha. Di man nasabi. Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat ng masasayang mga panahon. Tiyak hanggang sa huli, mahal kita. Lakas loob